Is a master's from Columbia University worth it? Let's find out. Let's start with the rankings. According to the US News, this school is ranked 12th best business school in the world. Other than that, it has the 4th best finance program and a business analytics program that ranks 6th in the entire USA. Let's start with the MBA and find out what makes this a standout course. According to the class profile, the total strength of the batch is 972, which is divided into 14 clusters. Average GMAT score is 732, and anything between 600 to 780 is considered a competitive score, and you can definitely get into Columbia MBA program if you have a score between this range. And the most important part, work experience. On average, you would need at least 5 years of work experience to get into MBA at Columbia. And the class size is pretty international with almost 46% of international students. Let's dive to the most important thing, the employment report, which suggests 89% of students receiving job offers with a median base salary of $175,000, and the highest salary offered is $370,000, which is very huge. Other than that, 39% placements in consulting with an average salary of $225,000 and 37% placements in finance with $165,000 average salary. And majority of the students going into investment banking and earning $225,000 right at the start of their career. Apart from this, there are 7% placements in management and 12.5% placements in marketing, all averaging over $200,000 in salary. Let's go through the curriculum. First term core courses includes financial accounting, foundation of valuation, managerial statistics, strategy formulation, and managerial economics. And in second term, you would be going through corporate finance, business analytics, marketing, and global economic environment. Therefore, it's a very well-rounded curriculum that offers expertise in every area from marketing to finance and leadership, which can definitely give you a good understanding of the business world. So let's dive into MFin and find out why it's really worth it. The curriculum includes econometrics and statistical inference, finance theory, computing and business research, introduction to time finance, advanced derivatives. Now let's dive to the employment reports, which suggests 57% placements in investment bank or brokerage with top recruiters like Bank of America, Barclays, Citibank, EY, Goldman Sachs, and many more. So this course is apt if you want to get into investment banking. Now let's find out the average salary for MFin at Columbia. Almost $108,000. Let's dive to MS in Business Analytics. It's a 12-month STEM program with a curriculum that includes Python for analytics, probability, statistics, data analytics, business analytics, and optimization model. Now let's look at the MSBA placement statistics, which suggests 96% placement success rate with almost 40% of placements in financial services. Apart from it, there's 30% placements in tech and telecommunication and almost 8% placements in consulting. All in all, top tier rankings, STEM designated programs, and high placement rates makes masters from Columbia University definitely worth it. So if you are planning to study MBA or any of the other masters from Columbia University or any of the top B school in the USA, then I would suggest you to click the link in video description to book a free 20-minute school selection call with our study abroad experts, where they'll help you in your entire study abroad journey. Now if you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MIMSA for more study abroad content like this.